I don't know why it started. Hello? Is that back up? Hello? It messed up. I don't know why that happened. Are we back? Are we back? It's probably back. Let me see. Oh, it's because I hit another tab. Whoops. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it stopped streaming. I don't know why I did that. That was kind of weird.
And then put it back in using your right hand.
Right now, the predicament is we got blue, we got red, and we got green. And it wants to be, yeah, you've returned. I never left. I don't know what that was. It was just weird. Basically, the problem is I can't, they're very close. And they're not working. Actually, you're doing really good. Okay, well, I don't know where. Because in the video, it just says, whenever I get this problem, he says,
find that an edge is already in there, just take another piece, such as like any random piece, and then put it in there. So you should know how to put pieces in there.
Which I don't, so.
And then this one will come out. And then you can just do it as usual after that.
And then he skips it.
All right, so once you
which is zero help to me. And I don't know what to do from that point. Can we get a girlfriend cam? I don't have a girlfriend, but hello. Hello, Afida American. I don't have a girlfriend. I was talking just now to a guy who has a girlfriend, but he got mad and left because I can't follow instructions, which is that's just a false statement. Although, do you know how to real quick, do you know how to see, I'm trying to get the second layer right now. This is in the way of the red. This is also in the way. Okay, join VC. All right. Okay. All right. Where general? Join general. I'm sitting in there, waiting patiently for you to save me from my predicament. Just use a solver on the internet? Well, you know, I don't know those exist. Hello, Kian. What am I looking at?
1 sec.
Okay. I gotta check this out now.
This is what you have?
Wait, I'm curious. I want to look at this Rubik's Cube solver real quick. Just a second. I can just do that? Okay. All right, I'm looking. What am I looking at? He left. Kian, come back. Kian! BRB? Oh, you've got to be joshing me. He got mad. Yeah, he freaking left. He hates me. Let me see. How does this work? Do I like touch it? Oh, I touch it and it changes color. I see. I see. All right. Well, in that case, we're gonna be hang on. This is gonna be very convenient because I don't really care. I'm not trying to become like a crazy cuber. I just wanna solve it so I can say, yeah, I did that. Haha. Okay, what's my yep. That way. Balling. All right, this is very scuffed, but I don't care. Do I care? I don't care. I don't care. Do you solve cubes, Afida? Is that something you do? I'm assuming, because, you know, you came, so, you know. I can't talk, but just follow exactly what I do. All right. Just tell me when you're back in the chat, because I'm not looking. I have streamer mode enabled, so I don't get notifications when people join. Okay. I need a blue. Yep. Oh, you're back. All right. All right. My throat. Hang on. Okay, I'm looking at the red. The left is red, the right's green. I'm looking at that. I have the yellow and the blue in the same spot.
1 sec.
He's dipped. I'm lost. He's left me. That's the third instructor. Gone. He's back. Wait. Alright. I'm good. Wait, hang on.
Get the piece.
You
Get
just
the piece that's flipped.
You just changed it. So what? You want me to? I've got the green and orange lined up like that, but my green piece is fine.
Which one is flipped?
Here, look at the stream. I got the green, and then this is the orange. This piece is fine. Just the pieces that are a problem are between green and red, and then diagonal from it. This is messing up the blue and orange. But in the middle, these two are fine. That's all good. Hang on. Can you undo that for just a second? Alright, I'm good. I'm ready. Okay. Yep. Okay. Alright. Okay. Whoa. Hey. Wait a second, hang on. No wait, yeah, do it again. I got it. The red, white, and green. You're good. Yeah. It's just the way you're holding it. I'm looking. Yep. Okay. Alright. Yep. Cool. The orange and blue. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Alright, I'm looking. I got it at the same spot. Okay. Making progress in life. Yep. They're still congested. It's still these corner pieces that are messing me up. Cause like white is still fine. But now every single side has a piece that's in its way. It's every side except for like the two diagonal corners. Like these two are fine. This one's messed up. And so is this one. You're dumb. Okay, well, you know what, buddy? You know what? JK, oh my gosh, you got me. You pranked me. Like you know, I'm looking at this. I'm thinking the solver might be the way to go about this thing. Do I have your permission to use the solver? Hmm. Because like top layer's fine, and then just two blocks are messing me over. What about notation? Can you read notations? I got a sheet pulled up with literally the instructions. I've got one showing in the directions of right, backwards, L, B, D, F, U. I got all that jazz. Okay, yes. Okay, indeed. Do it. You can't. That's the number 85. Fail more. I'm not failing. I'm learning. What are you scratching? It's a dot. All right. Well, it's Google time. It is Google time, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna do a bit of painting today. I'm feeling like a painter right now. Make the green. I'm gonna make orange. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's good. Desperate times call for desperate measures, as they say. And all of that is white. Okay, now solve it. There we go. I'm getting my solution calculated. Oh, only 18 turns. All I freaking needed. Man. All right, let's see. Where do I do it? I start from here. Whoa, hey there, feller. All right. Okay. Play to where that is here. 18 is the most common. Awesome. Every scramble can be solved under 20 moves. Well, you know, I mean, that would have been cool to know. It's fine though. We're solving this, and then I'm gonna go and watch the new Dream Manhunt. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Dream Minecraft. This is a lot easier. I wish I knew this existed. That would have been very helpful for last time. when I did my 2x2. I don't like 3x3s. I like the 2x2 more because I'm a little small child with a small brain. Liking small things. Well, that's not true. I like big things. Big things are cool. See, if I knew like the math and the tricks, this would be a lot easier, but it's like, whatever. Whatever. As long as it gets done, I will sleep. Oh, frick. Wait, hang on. Oh, wait, I do it twice. Oh, I almost killed a man. Okay, B. Yep. All right, cool. Cool. All right, so this is done. Better stop the timer. Yep. Stop that. Awesome. So, yep, 3x3 conquered. I want to fix my camera. Let's go. I don't care if you cheated. You did it. Let's go. Hey, man, listen. I need to fix this now. I'd finished the, okay, that's too high. Ian, you don't say you weren't there, but I finished the, no, I don't want to try a 4x4. Unless, okay, you know, I'll fix my camera later. That's good enough for now. I did it to where I'd finished the first layer and gotten the T. I'd done this, and I had the small T's on each side. And then Goat told me what to do, but Goat's like, Goat hasn't, I think, done it in a while or something, or they just forgot. And then Splash was trying to tell me a way to do it that was different from how, like, you do it. So, you know, it's whatever. It's whatever. But, well, let's see. Okay, that's done. I can pull this back. That's done. Yeah, guys, let's go. I gotta go watch the new Dream Manhunt, guys. So, I don't know if I'm gonna do a Rubik's Cube. I don't know. I don't exactly want to do another one. But if people yell at me, then I don't use the way I told you to. I'm fast. Well, I mean, you know, I might do another cube sometime in the future. The pyramid looks stupid, so I don't know about that. But I'm a go. I was here for about 3 hours. I was only wanting to be here for 1, but I mean, I finished, so. Not an entire loss, so whatever, I'm done. I hope y'all enjoyed. I kind of did, I guess. It was fun to actually solve a cube. I cheated, but I mean, I did half of it. I did half of it by myself, so pyramid's easy. I'll think about it. It probably won't be anytime soon because apparently I hurt people's brain cells whenever I do a cube, so next time. We'll get it next time. We can discuss it in the Discord. Also, when's the banana video coming out? Right now I'm on break. Okay, well, you know, I'm gonna be honest. I still need to send them. I still need to send the clips to myself. The only problem is, for some reason, the college Wi-Fi, it won't let me transfer videos from my phone to my computer using the using a phone charger. For whatever reason. It's like a network block or something, probably so people can't do illegal things. But I'm gonna try it to my laptop, and if that doesn't work, I'm probably gonna go home this weekend because it's we're on break. Splash and I are on break, so we have off until halfway until afternoon on Wednesday. I only have 1 class that day, so I'm hoping soon. Because it's not going to take long to edit, but I'm going to add subtitles, and that's going to take a couple hours of work that I'll do on and off. So hopefully within a couple days. It's just because, you know, blame college not allowing me to send stuff to myself. All right, well, that was an experience. Hope y'all enjoyed. It was it was 14 minutes shorter. We hate college. Hey man, if I had to choose whether to do college or high school again, I would never do high school again. I hated that. 8 hours a day learning stuff I didn't care about. My mom is texting me, congratulating me for the cube. Thank you, mother. Thank you. You solved the 3x3 faster than the 2x2. It's true. It's true. I made progress on it faster than the 2x2, and yet I only know how to do the 2x2. Well, lovely experience. The manhunt starts in 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna let me quickly. I'm getting more text. Oh my gosh. Let me just I don't exactly want to do the outro, but I will. Did you credit me? You're kind of my main teacher in this. Just kidding. I can actually message your mom later. I don't know about that, Chief. I don't know. I don't know about that. Telling her, mother dear, my teacher, my Rubik's Cube teacher, Avatar Kian says hi. He says hi. When do I? Anytime today works. All right. Well, Kian and everybody else who watched, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. It was fun. It was fun, I suppose. I'm not gonna be doing that for a while. I need a break because I get hard bullied when I do this. So that was cool. That was cool. Go back to my normal stream scene. She'll know who it is. Shut up, man. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.